A dimly lit kitchen with cluttered counters and cabinets. A frustrated homeowner rummages through drawers, searching for a particular kitchen tool. Suddenly, the lights under the cabinets turn on, revealing a neat and organized workspace. Tired of fumbling around in the dark in your kitchen? Say goodbye to dimly lit countertops and hello to the LAFULIT 8 PCS under cabinet lighting kit. A close-up shot of the LAFULIT lights being installed underneath a cabinet. The process is quick and easy. This easy-to-install kit comes with 8 bright LED lights and all the necessary mounting hardware. It's perfect for illuminating your workspaces and providing you with the visibility you need to prepare meals and complete other kitchen tasks. The homeowner is now happily cooking in a well-lit kitchen. They easily find the utensils they need and move about with ease. The LAFULIT under cabinet lighting kit is not only functional but also stylish. Its sleek and modern design will seamlessly blend in with your existing decor. And with its energy-efficient LED bulbs, you'll save money on your electricity bill. A time-lapse shot of the kitchen at night. The LAFULIT lights turn on automatically as the homeowner enters the room and turn off as they leave. Plus, with its motion sensor feature, you'll never have to worry about leaving the lights on. They'll automatically turn off when you leave the room, saving you even more money and hassle. The homeowner turns off the lights in the kitchen and goes to bed, content knowing that their LAFULIT under cabinet lighting kit is working to keep their kitchen safe and well lit. Don't settle for a poorly lit kitchen. Upgrade to the LAFULIT 8 PCS under cabinet lighting kit and transform your workspace into a bright and organized environment. Order yours today and see the difference